awarded by Barangay Kagawan, Mayor Estapiano, Barangay Kagawan, Bernardo Celia, and Sir Daniel Malasal. Our second runner-up is candidate number, ang parang mga kainan ni maghawak-hawak kami. Yan. This year's second runner-up. For the information of everyone, ang mga awards po ay second runner-up, first runner-up, Miss Tourism, Miss SK Pandayan, Miss Pandayan 2020.
Second runner.
Lahat po sila bibigyan ng awards. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up is candidate number
7.
number 5.
Fourth runner.
Tawar dami. Kita niya kababaan.
Now, ilan sa anak? Our first runner-up.
Number 7.
Number 7 yun.
Our first runner-up is candidate number. Candidate number. Number 7.
Ito, sa kalimang number ito.
Award. First runner-up kay Arnold Cuaresma, Barangay Kagawan, El Chicho, Aleriano, and John Ricardo Martin.
Second runner up.
Our Miss Tourism, Pandayan, 2024. Miss Tourism. Our Miss Tourism, Pandayan, is none other than of course, to be awarded by Barangay Kagawan, Reynaldo Ortiz, Barangay Kagawan, Magdalena Mangke, and Ma'am Roxy Cabra. This year's Miss Tourism is candidate number. Tignan ko mabuti ito ka magkamali at kaba. Candidate number 3.
Santa na ka. Santa na ka ba?
Short hair.
Ako.
Oh. Break down. Go. Go. Hello. Kadalawan kasasan.
Candidate number 3.
Wala. Gusto nga.
Boss, kontra boss.
Ang kami nung hagkas-kasar ka na rin maaba. Suna.
Boss.
Ang una kong sasabihin ay ang ating Miss Pandaya 2024. To be awarded, of course, by our Punang Barangay Kapanghiling Tumape, and of course, Doki Tumalu and course, our chairman of the board of judges, Ma'am Honorable Ken Keruman. Ladies and gentlemen, bigyan mo naman sila ng music, maestro. Ayan. Tabak-taba. Oh. Oh, yeah. Tama. Para Miss Universe time. Again, ang unang babangkit ito ay ang Miss Pandaya 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Miss Pandaya 2024 is candidate number. Candidate number. Candidate number 9. To be awarded by Ma'am Alameda and Barangay Kagawan.
Film mesin. Nakakasin.